Hi, Miss Rhea here with Sing the World Awake.
Across the outer space, the children of the human race have been calling and praying for some grace to vibrate the entire place. Come, now we remember who we are, that we have come here from the stars to create heaven on
Where we use our voices to remember who we are and to create the most beautiful world we can imagine. Today, we are going to talk about sound. We've talked before about sound as something that helps to calm down our nervous system. And when our nervous system is calm, it helps us to make good choices, to feel happy, and to feel like things are going well for us in life. And so we're going to use sound today. We're going to make sound, and we're also going to use sound from an instrument. And I have this instrument right in front of me. And this is called a crystal singing bowl. And it's called a crystal singing bowl because it's made of crystal. This is clear quartz crystal. And quartz crystal is a rock, it is a stone, and it comes in many forms. So here I have another crystal. This is a quartz crystal, and you can see the different points that it has. And how crystals are formed is they get formed at very hot temperatures, like when lava is just liquid magma, liquid rock. And when that hot temperature starts to cool and the water evaporates, then crystals can form. So the crystals can be pretty to look at, and they also can be shaped into something like a crystal singing bowl. So because we're talking about sound and how we can use sound to calm our nervous system, crystal singing bowl is called a singing bowl because it sings. So can you hear that sound that it makes? The sound can help us relax. And so today, when we use the crystal singing bowl, we're also going to use certain sounds. And these sounds we will use our mouth to make. And when we make a sound, the sound resonates through our bones. Resonates means vibrate. And so in our face, what helps us to sing is different parts of our body. We have our throat, where our vocal cords are. And so when we make sound, it comes through our vocal cords. Also, our tongue helps shape the sound and helps us form words. So our tongue is an important part of this sound. And also we have something in our face called our sinuses. Sinuses are the bones that we have around our nose and behind our eyes and above our eyes. Our sinuses are throughout here. So when we sing, it vibrates the air in our sinuses, in our vocal cords, and in our mouth. And so when we get to make these certain sounds to vibrate our bones in our face, because our sinuses are made of bones, it can be very healing to our body. And so we're going to learn some sounds today. And one of those sounds is ong, O-N-G. So whenever we have an N-G sound, it sounds like Can you make that funny face? So we'll start with an O, ong. And then we want to close it off at the end to the N-G. Ong. So we're vibrating the bones in our face, and this helps us to relax. So that's our first sound. So let's try it again. Let me hear you. Ong. The next sound we've used before, and this is the sound of the letters R-A. Ra, or if you can roll your R, ra, ra. And Ra is for the element of fire, for the sun. The other sound we'll make goes with Ra. It's Ma, M-A, and Ma is for the moon, and it's for the water. So when you put Ra and Ma together, Rama, it helps to balance our body, to balance the opposite sides of our body, fire and water, left and right, light and dark. And so let's try that. Rama, Rama, Rama. Perfect. So the next sound we have is aim. And aim has 3 sounds inside of it. A, the letter A, E, the sound E, and So it's A-E-M when we make the sound all together. And the sound aim is for our heart. So when we make this sound in a long way, when we hold the notes in a long way, it helps to be very healing to our heart. So let's try that together. Aim. So we'll take a big breath. Aim. Aim. And remember, we're using the sound to help calm our body down, to help us feel peaceful. So you might notice as we're using these sounds that you start to feel relaxed, maybe even sleepy, maybe you yawn. So then one other sound we're going to work with is a sound called zo. It sounds like the letter Z and then O. Zo. And this helps an organ called our thyroid. Our thyroid gland helps us to regulate the glandular system in the body. And so zo is another one of these sounds that we're going to use. So far we've learned Ong, Rama, Aim, Zo, and we're going to learn one more, and that is K. So this K is a very hard k sound. It's very loud and pronounced. So it's k, and then A, the letter A, and then E, the E sound. So it'll sound like this. K, K, K. And this is to help our body heal itself. So we're going to sing these sounds. We'll go in order. We'll go from Ong to Rama to Aim, Zo, and K. All right? And we're going to sing them. So we'll use our crystal bowl. And we'll practice our meditation where we sit still, we close our eyes, and we listen for our heartbeat. And then we're going to start using the sounds. So first is Om. And sing along with me. to sing Om, and then I want you to sing your name. So my name is Rhea, so I'll sing Rhea. But whatever your name is, I want you to sing Om, and then your name, and then Rama. So I'll say Om, Rhea, Rama. And you're going to say your name. Om, with your name, and Rama. So take a big breath. Beautiful. Now we're just going to use our voice, and we're just going to sing whatever we feel like. We listen to the note of the singing bowl. Start with ooh, or with anything you like. And just taking a big breath, holding it. Exhale with a ah. We're going to rub our hands together and bring our hands to our heart and our belly. Sitting still, closing our eyes, listening for our heartbeat. And then rubbing our hands together and putting our hands on our Mother Earth and listening for Mother Earth's heartbeat. Seeing if you have any messages coming to you, anything you need to remember. And we'll bring our hands to our heart one more time and just tell ourselves, I am good, I am loved, I am intelligent, I am happy, I am peaceful, I am wanted, I am valuable. And just notice how that makes you feel when you say those things. And how was it for you when we sang those sounds? When we used our voices, when we used a crystal singing bowl? How did that feel? Just noticing it. So this is a good thing we can use. We can use the power of sound to help ourselves feel calm, to feel better, to help us feel happier. And thank you so much for singing with me today. And sing the world awake. We'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.